I won't say which dealership I'm at, but I'm in Sunnyvale, California, and I brought my car in for service that should be covered under the manufacturer's warranty, which covers things that are not maintenance or wear related. So the first issue that I brought it in for was the alignment between the bezel and the screen. And the screen on my head unit pops out a little from the bezel, likely due to some defective adhesive or like bad fit from the factory. It's a little hard to tell, but you can see that the other side screen sits inside of the bezel downwards, and this side the screen pops out more. I'll put a better picture when there's better lighting, because you can see this orange color on the inside of this display hardware if the sun hits it just right. And let's see what Toyota said about it.
Hello, my name is time on your vehicle. Once doing a video inspection of your car, showing around some recommendations we're making today. First, air filter is dirty. I'm going to recommend for your radio, compare it to a different radio, and it doesn't look the same. Can't tell if the screen's been changed or something's wrong with the radio. I would try seeing if that dealer that you purchased it from did anything to the radio. If they didn't, they should be able to warranty this out if it has never been touched. But when I compared it to another vehicle, it is not showing any of that. So that's a weird thing.
Before the service advisor sent me that video that you saw, he also called me and said that they had found an aftermarket black box installed behind this head unit, and that the black box was pushing out this display from the bezel, and that it was vampire spliced into the head unit wiring. However, I don't see that black box anywhere in their video, and they've been unable to provide me with photos of this black box when I asked them about it. Alright, so they're saying that my radio is a fake radio, which, I don't know, you can be the judge of. Let's take a good look at this radio. It runs Toyota software, it's all functional, and it's got a rectangular screen, a single volume button in the lower left, and it's got this bezel around it that sits behind the glare shield. And while we're at the dealership, let's take a look at another car that they have on their lot and compare it with their radio. Alright, so we're inside another Toyota sedan, and here we have what looks to be a similar radio to my car. It's got a rectangular screen, I'm sure it runs Toyota software, and it's got a single volume button in the lower left side. And it's also seated behind the glare shield, just like this. So yeah, you guys be the judge of this.